nothing left to
Can
do.
I smell?
Were 9 dead bandits.
Mr. Speaker!
It all ended just hours before.
I'm assuming they're all the
State of
same.
Union
They
address.
go to the right
As the
friggin'
president
thing.
walked in, he had a secret with
Mm,
Defense
smell?
Secretary Leon Panetta.
Yep.
That almost
Don't believe it.
I can't believe it either.
after the speech, President Obama called
Well, you should find someone to help you with this then.
Flower.
Looks like it opens the opposite way you would think. Like I think to go this way for some reason.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, this one goes to the right to open it.
Really?
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, because that's what arrows
First thing you
say.
said to your father.
Oh.
Well, no, it clicks it off.
Maybe it needs some channel lock sometimes. I've had to open something that way.
What is it? Donuts. Oh, look at here. Who is
So did her
that?
Danish co-worker, Paul Pisted, who was also rescued by the SEALs. He said later that his lucky break was being captured with an American.
Oh,
Jessica
is it?
Mm-hmm.
told her
Oh, is it? Oh,
story. You may recall
our family
she
is
said
growing
that
by
her
two
first
little
thought
feet.
was that it was true.